Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Passat rear turn signal bulb. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a T20 Torx bit, and a new 7507 amber bulb. Make sure your Passat is parked safely on a level surface with the ignition off. This ensures your safety and makes the process straightforward. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's access the tail light assembly. Open your trunk and look for the small access panel on the side, usually near the tail light itself. Gently use your flathead screwdriver to pry this panel open. Once exposed, you'll see two T20 Torx screws. Use your T20 Torx bit to carefully unscrew and remove both of these fasteners. This will free the tail light for removal. With the screws removed, carefully pull the entire tail light assembly straight out from the car's body. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips or wiring. Once you have the assembly out, locate the turn signal bulb holder. Twist this holder counterclockwise to unlock and remove it. Now, simply pull out the old bulb and firmly insert your new 7507 amber bulb into the socket. It's a simple push and twist. To finish up, reinsert the bulb holder into the tail light assembly and twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its opening on the car and push it firmly back into place. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two T20 Torx screws, then close the access panel. Test your new turn signal to ensure it's working perfectly. You've successfully changed your bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.